Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to AI Medical School. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you about an antihistamine agent, which is cetirizine. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. Cetirizine is an antihistamine agent. Histamine medicates allergic and inflammatory reactions. It provides relief of allergy symptoms such as watery eyes, runny nose, itching eyes, sneezing, and itching. Cetirizine is also used for allergic skin. Now the indications. Cetirizine is primarily indicated in conditions like atopic dermatitis, chronic idiopathic urticaria, perennial rhinitis, seasonal allergic rhinitis, and can also be given in adjunctive therapy as an alternative drug of choice in symptomatic relief of allergy. Its contraindication is, cetirizine is contraindicated in conditions like hypersensitivity, pregnancy, porphyria, and breastfeeding. Now the side effects of cetirizine. Cetirizine produces potentially life-threatening effects which include leukopenia, which are responsible for the discontinuation of cetirizine therapy. The signs and symptoms that are produced after the acute overdosage of cetirizine include sedation. The symptomatic adverse reactions produced by cetirizine are more or less tolerable, and if they become severe, they can be treated symptomatically. These include headache, drowsiness, dry mouth, GI upset, somnolence, agitation, GI discomfort, and dry mouth. Now the warnings are, cetirizine should be used with caution in patients with history of liver or kidney disease, asthma, any blood disorder or any allergy. It should be used with caution during pregnancy or lactation. High-risk groups. Drugs should not be given to pregnant mothers, patients suffering from kidney dysfunction, and neonates. If prescribing authority justifies the benefits of the drug, against the possible damages he or she should reevaluate them, and consult the reference material and previous studies. Now the dosage. Adult dose is 10 mg. Single dose is 12 mg. Frequency is 24 hourly. And route is oral. Now the brand's names. Zyrtec, Cetirizine, and Ridgix. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. See you in my next video.